通过对话协商解决分歧和争端，推动建立更加公正合理的国际秩序。第二，
这几天啊，正值钱塘江大潮，
实现从短期政策向中长期政策转型。
It was a very important speech, comprehensive. It touched on many issues that economists and others who are watching the Chinese economy were interested in. He's going to stay the path in terms of changing the growth model of China, that they have strong commitment, which was very good to hear. But I think the main message was that the process is open. Has such a strong developing country presence. And of course, for us at the World Bank Group, this is extremely important. He stressed over and over again that there are many win-win situations and that we must take action to realize those win-win situations. It was an impressive and important speech that I think held all of our attention during the entire process. I just came from meeting with the finance ministers, and for the finance ministers to have these opportunities to share with each other what they're seeing, what they're trying to accomplish, and then coming out of these meetings with a message that we're focused, we're talking to each other, we're doing all the things that we need to do to build greater resilience into the global economy. We're using all measures, monetary, fiscal, structural policies in order to get the world back on a path of stronger growth. But also I think for the leaders, just getting together and saying we need to build resilience into the entire global system. We embrace trade, for example. There are a lot of voices that are very strongly against trade, but we at the World Bank Group, and I think all of the leaders, believe that trade is extremely important for continued economic growth. So the messages that are sent from the G20 are very, very important. I think it's already been a success to have China and the United States sign on to the global climate change agreement, and just incredibly important. China took a very bold but critically important step when it declared that it was going to change the way that it was going to grow its economy. One focused on quantity to one focused on quality. One focused before on exports and investment to one focuses on services and consumption. Good news is that's happening. We're seeing the service industry grow very, very quickly. We're seeing consumption increase as well. And what President Xi said yesterday was so reassuring. They've committed to that path, and they'll continue to go down that path. They're going to be cutting steel production. They're going to be cutting coal mining. These are things that the entire world was looking for China to do, and to hear it coming from President Xi, I think was very reassuring.